this is, I'm taking another movie. We got this Sea King running. Dad had it given to him by a friend of ours, so we just set up a sawhorse and mounted it. And got some buckets and for the water cooling. You can't put it in gear though; it'll throw the bucket off. I said that in my other video. I just wanted to kind of get a movie of it, but it seems to be running pretty darn good. We've let it run here for about 15 minutes. Just to kind of get it running. It hasn't run in so long, I think. I don't know. I have no idea how long it hasn't been running, but my guess it's you know, quite a long time, but it runs pretty good. How to run. All right. And Dad's over there just kind of cleaning up the cover, and we'll be as good as new, I think. Here you go.
I want to see what it sounds like.
Put the cover on.
Well, I know. I want to stop it.
Go ahead and stop. Okay. Looks pretty good now. Oh, you've got a cover latch. Remember, you've got a latch right here.
Oh,
right
okay.
here. Okay? It's right down there. There you
I
go.
see how it works.
Yep, you'll have to take it latches in the back and then
I
it.
see.
Okay? Just like it's similar to the Chrysler that we had, Dad. Just a smaller version. Piece of cake. Very good.
Start.
Fire it up. Yeah, that's start, because it's supposed to kind of idle fast until you get it running. Beautiful. Fantastic.